Hello everyone! Welcome to this video. Today you will learn daily use English sentences slowly and easily. This lesson is perfect for beginners, so relax, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I make my breakfast. I eat my breakfast slowly. I drink a cup of tea. I feel fresh and happy. I start my day with a smile. I go to work. I go to school. I meet my friends. I talk with my family. I check my phone. I read a book. I learn new things every day. I try to improve myself. I stay positive. I work hard. Now listen carefully. Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? I am learning English. That sounds great. Can you help me? Yes, of course. I understand you. Please speak slowly. I am a beginner. No problem. Take your time. Now repeat again. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy. I am sad. I am excited. I am ready. I am busy. I am free now. I am at home. I am outside. Let's continue. I like to learn English. I like to watch videos. I like to listen to music. I like to read books. I like to practice every day. I want to speak English fluently. I want to improve my skills. I want to be confident. I believe in myself. I never give up. Now listen again slowly. Where are you going? I am going home. What is your name? My name is John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I am 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in a small town. Keep listening. I open the door. I close the window. I sit on the chair. I stand up slowly. I walk to the market. I buy some food. I come back home. I cook my meal. I eat my lunch. I take some rest. Now repeat again. I watch TV. I use my phone. I check my messages. I reply to my friends. I laugh a lot. I enjoy my time. I feel relaxed. I think about my future. I make a plan. I follow my goals. Let's continue. In the evening, I go for a walk. I enjoy the fresh air. I see the sky. I watch the sunset. I feel calm. I feel peaceful. I come back home. I have my dinner. I talk with my family. I spend time with them. Now listen carefully. I am learning step by step. I am improving every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I try again and again. I speak slowly but clearly. I listen carefully. I understand better now. I feel more confident. I can do it. I will succeed. Now repeat again. This is easy. This is simple. I can understand. I can speak. I can learn. I can improve. I believe in myself. I trust the process. I stay consistent. I never stop learning. Let's continue. Every day is a new chance. Every day I learn something new. I practice every day. I speak English every day. I listen to English every day. I enjoy learning. I stay motivated. I stay focused. I keep going. I never give up. Now slow down and listen. You are doing great. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep improving. Do not worry. Do not stop. Be patient. Be confident. Be strong. You can do it. Finally, thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. Keep learning English every day. See you in the next video.